Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the event management in Odoo. So to manage with the events first, you can just move on to the apps over here, and under the industries, we can find that we have a dedicated app to manage the event. So as you just search for the event over here, you can see that you can seamlessly manage the events of your business. So once you click on activate, you can see that the activate button will be turning into upgrade button, and you can just manage the events using the Odoo. So Odoo event management, we know it's an industrial app that is basically used for planning and managing company events like exhibitions, client meetings, training, factory visits, product launches, seminars, employee programs, or vendor conference using the ERP system. In Odoo, event management can include core features like creation of the events, which will be done from the event module. And you can just dive into the event module, and you would be able to see different events which been created in different stages. And you can just define the name, date, venue, organization, agenda, everything. Now, let me consider an event over here. So let's say hockey tournament is the event that we are just going to consider. Here we can see that the event name is being given as event. That's the hockey tournament. You can find the date which is being scheduled as well as the display time zone. And if you just want to enable multiple slots that allows uh, to manage the communication, the maximum number of attendees and maximum number of tickets registrations are defined for each slot instead of whole event. So once you enable this, you just need to set the slot and the ticket will be generated accordingly. And you can also assign the languages over here, and the template is sports because this comes under the sports over here. And you can also just provide the tags, the organization, the responsible person associated with this event, as well as you can also see the hockey tournament comes under the company. My company is San Francisco, and you can see the visibility is set to public, and you can also set it as through a link or with the logged user, and the venue is being given over here, Wembley Stadium, and you can also limit the registrations over here. So I don't need to register, limit the registrations, and later on you can just add the product over here, which is the event registration to hockey. The price is being given. You can set the sales end as well as the sales start date, maximum quantity registration, as well as the registration tickets over here. So once it's done, if you just want to publish this in the website, you can simply publish this in the website, and you can see that currently it's available in the website. So the next step is that we can just set the creation of the ticket as a free entry or a paid one, or with a QR scanning and everything. As it's integrated with the website, you can see that currently it's in published. So once it's published in the website, this will be indicated in green color, and the online booking and details will be available over here. So currently it's published, and we can just do the online registration. So let's click on here, and you can see that registration for hockey tournament, and let's click on register. So here you can see that we can just set the name over here, and you can provide all the details, what level of hockey and everything. So you can see how did you learn about this event. So we can just set it as social media post, and let's click on confirm registration. So once the registration has been done, you can just see that it will be available, and we can just download the ticket over here. So once you click on download, you can see that we can just save this ticket, and we can view the ticket over there. And if you just want to move on to the events, this shows all the events right now available over here. And let's move on to the event over here, and you can see that once the registration has been done, you can find the registrations here which has been made, and with the date and everything. And you can also just find the analytics of this with different views over here. Okay, so here you can see that there are different registers, and you would be able to see the registration date, the status and everything over here. Okay, and you can also just move to the other views such as Kanban, as well as you can find the registered the registered candidate for the tournament, and you can also find the list view. So you would be able to see registered ones on the event, and you can see that the still status is free. And if you just want to set it as mark it as attending, you can also just set, and you can find the attendees over here. So you can see currently Jorina has been attended this, and if you just mark it as other as the one as the the attended, you can also find it over here. You can also easily generate leads from here. So as you just move on to the gear icon, you can see that we will be getting the option to generate leads. So once you click on it, you can see that it's the leads being generated over here. So it's very easy to manage everything. And if we just want to move on to the registration desk, we can select the candidates or the people who want to attend this through the QR code. So let's select the attendees. So let's choose them, and here we can just click on continue. So currently they have attended. So it's that simple to manage the events in Odoo. And here you would be able to find all the registration desk, and you can also just move on to the configuration to manage with the event template. You would be able to see the event templates which been added, and under that we can also just manage with the event stages. You can find the event tag categories, as well as the event questions, as well as the lead generation. So under the lead generation, you just need to set up the rules over here. So as you just consider one of the rule, you can see that the rule per order, like so when the attendees are created, we can just convert it as a lead, or we can also just create a lead based on they are registered or attendees attended. And for any of these event, like with the event template or company, we can just create the lead. And here you can see that there are 30 records currently matched with this, and if you just want to execute this, you can click on execute, and you can see that yes, one lead has been generated over here. Okay, so this is how we manage with the lead management of Odoo 19. Now if you just want to just get or manage everything from the website, you can directly move on to here, and you can consider the events. So upon moving on to here, you can see that someone who just want to manage with the lead can directly, to attend a particular one, can directly select it and just buy the ticket from here. So here you can see that currently this ticket is paid one, and you can just click on register. So we just need to fill out the details over here, and we can just register for the tickets. Okay, and once it's done, you can see we just need to provide certain details over here. So let's click on confirm and register, and the registration will be done over here. Okay, so we just need to wait for a while, and you can see we have just done with it. And again, if you just want to register, you will be getting the option. You can find the event details such as the start date, end date, with the venue and everything. Now if you just want to know the analytics of this, you can also easily find. And once you just convert a event into a lead, the lead will be generated under the module of in the CRM module, and you can find the lead that has been generated with the attendee. And if you just want to create a new quotation or rental over here, you can just do it. And that's how we manage the lead generations over there. Now if you just want to just know the analytics over here, you can also easily find the analytics with the, we have a section called event, where you can see that currently this is based on last month. If I just want to manage based on today or yesterday or with last 7 days, I'll be getting all the event details over here with the events, with the revenue, as well as the attendees. You can find the event status with booked count, the entered count, as well as the registration status with the count and registered count and everything. You can find the top menu as well as the top templates which been used. So it is easy to find the analytics of the event management. And once you just install the event management, you can see all these modules will be installed in the Odoo database automatically. So that's how we manage with the event in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.